Dictionary. At dictionary. Gasping is the act of taking quick, short, and audible breaths, often as a result of struggling for air or experiencing intense surprise, shock, or extreme physical exertion. It is a reflexive response to a sudden lack of oxygen or an overwhelming emotional or physical situation. Gasping can be accompanied by a distinct sound and is a physiological mechanism aimed at rapidly increasing the intake of air to meet the body's immediate oxygen demands. While it is a natural and involuntary response in certain situations, prolonged or persistent gasping may indicate underlying health issues and should be addressed accordingly.